Yes, Chinese welcome. So now I'm in my garden. So today I want to pick some hard and thick pigmented leaf for activity. So I want to pick also tulsi leaves for our eating purpose. So now let's do our um, activity. So first you see this leaf is so hard and also its texture something rough. I don't explain you how it is, but hard texture. So let's do our work. So first I draw on a leaf. So I want to try something historical type designs like elephants and chain. That's so now I make this same design on next leaf. So this is my final look and hope you like this. That's all for today's video. Bye Sunnis, thanks for watching.